Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from the Recipe Rebel, and today we're making chocolate chip banana bread. We love banana bread any time of day, breakfast, snacks, lunches. It's perfect for making ahead, stashing in the freezer, and just pulling out whenever you need it. I always have a ton of bananas in the freezer, and sometimes it gets a little out of control. So when I need to use some up, I whip up a couple batches of this. So my bananas have been in the freezer and they look like this. They look a little gross, they're black, and they're super squishy, but they worked perfectly in baking. They add a ton of moisture. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna squish them out into the bowl, and they don't require much mashing at all. So now that we've got our bananas in the bowl, we're just gonna give them a quick little mash with the whisk, and that's all they need. And then we're gonna add in our eggs, applesauce, sour cream or yogurt, whichever you're using, vanilla, and sugar. And we're gonna give that a good whisk until it's all combined. So now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. We have flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. The only thing that's important to remember when you're mixing in your dry ingredients is not to mix them too much. You want to mix them just until they're combined so you have a nice fluffy loaf that's not dense or hard. So now we're going to switch over to our spatula and we're going to add in our chocolate chips. I don't always add chocolate chips to my banana bread, but sometimes it's a nice treat. If you want to mix things up, you could use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, even peanut butter or butterscotch chips would be awesome. Now we're gonna spread it into our greased loaf pan. And if you want, you can sprinkle a few chocolate chips over the top. It kind of gets people excited about what they're gonna find inside. Now we're just gonna pop it in the oven, and the hardest part is waiting for it to come out. And now it's time for the best part, the taste test. It looks so moist and is so packed with chocolate. I know you guys are gonna love it.